But if you need to save some money, previous videos, Angelina Jolie, but just find your right shade. We are done. Hello my beauties, today we are making a 90s makeup inspired by Angelina Jolie. So today we're gonna be her. So I don't know if you saw the previous videos that we made from 1930s and 1950s, but if you didn't, I will suggest you to just click on those first, and after that click on this one. We started basically like a series with these vintage makeups, like Marilyn Monroe's makeup. Now we are doing Angelina. In the first video, I don't know what like celebrity it was, but it doesn't matter. It was a 1930s makeup with that really thin brows. Now let's jump in. Now that we came back, we are starting with face cream because I need some hydration in my skin. Oh my god, I almost ran out of this. So I mean, I don't think I need to really explain why I'm doing this right now, because you already know that cream is for hydrating properties. So now that we look kind of oily, but not really, we will go with the foundation that I'm using every time I do my makeup. And honestly, this foundation is a drugstore one, but if you need to save some money and you don't wanna like buy a really expensive foundation, I can surely advise you to get this one, because this one is full coverage one and it's cheap and it's doing its job like really good. And for me, honestly, that I'm doing like videos every day, like many videos every day, it's a really good foundation, because I just can just go to a store and just rebuy it and not feel it like I need to pay too much for this. Because I mean, I'm not using a lot on my face like for every makeup, but when you are doing like at least 5 makeups a day, you won't get amount of using this foundation, because you will get run of it. I mean, this foundation really looks nice. It has like a little bit of a yellowish kind of shade. I honestly don't always do my I don't take my foundation to my neck like really down, because a lot of times my foundation just matches my face, but sometimes I don't know why my shade is just changing a little bit. So I mean, when I'm not going out, the shade is just changing a little bit, but I mean, it's a really good foundation, so you can buy this and you will be like really happy with it. But just find your right shade, because that's really important. I mean, the first time when I bought this foundation, I bought like now I have the shade Ivory, and first when I bought like the first bottle of this foundation, I bought a shade, I don't know what was her name, it was like something nude beige or something, and that shade was really orange for me. But I kept using it because it was a period when my skin was a little bit more tanned, so I could pull this off. But this shade is really nice, Ivory. And I also have another foundation that I'm using, but that one I'm using when I'm going outside, I mean, because it doesn't have that much coverage and it looks much more natural than this one. But for the videos I need this foundation, because if I use that one, and I'm not a person that really uses concealer, you will see my like strange points on my face. So now let me see how we are doing this eyeliner. So it's a really thin eyeliner, it's coming till here or something. Sorry, I won't talk now because I'm doing the eyeliner and I can't talk, so wait for me here. Now we are done with the eyeliner and let's go for the brows. So for the brows Oh my god, I sounded like a grandma. For the brows, I'm using some eyebrow gel. And we will try to make them seem like they are tall from Angelina. This sounded really like cringe, but what can I say? So this one is okay. Let's do this one. A little bit more and we're done. I almost forgot to do my eyebrows like how I normally did them some years ago because of this soul brow trend. Now we wait till I wanted to say that we wait here until we die, but a little bit more and done. Clapped. I almost poked my eyelashes again and my mouth is open. Sometimes I think that girls are psychos when we are doing our makeup, because we stay here like, oh my god, let me just take that spot. We are kind of psychos sometimes. I know it is there. I know even if I don't see that bronzer, like really strong bronzer, I know it's there because she has those like really strong cheekbones. So a little bit of highlighter. I will use this brush because why not? This is a lot more cuter than the other one. A little bit here. So let's put the lips. She has like bigger lips than me, but yeah, whatever. I will try to make my lips a little bit bigger. Okay, now we are done. We still have some makeups to do, guys, so the journey continues with this vintage makeup. So stay on the channel, like this video, subscribe, press that notification bell, because if not I will be upset. I will be upset. So go and do that and bye.